Hi Gemini, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love fight now. These are general collective readings, Gemini. Will not resonate with all of you out there. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Gemini and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Gemini, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Gems, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So let's begin your reading now. Let's see what's going on in your connection. Oh, the Chariot in reverse, Gemini, center of my spread. Is there some distance between the two of you? Having difficulty in moving towards each other? There is a big cup of love here though. Let's see. Page of Wands. Okay, so somebody wants to communicate, Gemini. This could be you wanting to communicate or send a message or something. Or maybe this is your cross-watcher who wants to do that for you. Let's put this card here. Let me take a look at the cards. Two of Wands. So somebody's been at crossroads, Gemini, it seems, for some time now. Very stressed out. Not having the courage to decide between two options, it seems. But wanting to come out of heartbreak now, not wanting to end a cycle. Maybe there's been some playerish energy in the past. Somebody's been dipping in and out, making the other person a bit upset and angry, but realizing that there is still a lot of love here. Gems, what I'm going to do, I'll clarify all these cards. But let's start with some dialogue message cards first. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that will be. Gemini and their partner could say something to each other, Spirit, what would that be? Gemini and their person. Okay. And we'll take some from here, Gemini. One more. One more, Spirit, Gemini and their person. All right. And let's take a couple from here as well. Gemini and their person. Good to go, Gemini. Let's get on with your reading. The first card here, Gem, says, we are both awakened to this journey of unconditional love and have shared our deepest desires for the future we want to build together. When we have any challenges, we should communicate about our triggers in a healthy way by having open and honest discussions rather than avoiding them at all costs. So you guys both, I think, realize what you are to each other, but kind of don't talk about it, it seems. Second card here says, your indecision is a decision and your non-action is an action. Decisions and actions have consequences. This includes not making a decision or taking action towards me. Next card. This relationship seems more like a situationship right now. I feel like you're taking my love for granted. Because neither of you are really telling each other, it seems. Both know it, but will not tell each other. When you ran, I felt like I lost my light and I plunged into darkness. My heart and even my spirit shattered into pieces. I'm trying to heal, surrender, and trust in the divine plan, but I fear I'll never feel the same again. I swear you get more beautiful every day. With age you refine and blossom like fine wine. You're absolutely stunning inside and out. I would wait for eternity to be with you. I'll never let you go. You are my one true love. I've been waiting a lifetime for you. I have unresolved feelings that I need to work through. We've come too far to give up on us. Let's start over. See, I told you, there's a big cup of love in the end here. I'm dying to clarify these cards and figure out what this is all about. I'm feeling really insecure at this time. I feel like a little child compared to you. You make me feel weak at the knees. I feel overwhelmed and powerless to the all-consuming love I have for you. All right, those are nice cards, Gemini. Let's see if somebody's wanting, I think, a new beginning in love here. Before I start clarifying these cards, gems, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels are going to say to this reading. A blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Gemini. Vision, yes. Keep your vision totally focused on the future, Gemini. Right? Eyes on the prize. See how you want your future to look like. Forget about the past. Okay, so let's start clarifying these cards. Two of Wands, Spirit. Why is somebody standing here at crossroads, and why are they so stressed out with the Eight of Swords energy? So this could be you, Gems, or this could be your cross watcher, I don't know. But somebody, yes, somebody does want a second chance here, it seems. Oops. I'm sorry, a door banged. This really windy out. Okay, so Two of Wands, Spirit, and the Eight of Swords. Two of Swords is clarified by the Three of Swords. Yeah, somebody does want a second chance here, Gemini, it seems. They're looking into their future, and they are thinking or planning of something. Like this, the other cards are suggesting, even the Three of Wands says that maybe there's distance between the two of you yet, and there is a planning stage going on. Maybe somebody is thinking of coming towards you, or they want you to come towards them for a second chance here. But there is the Eight of Swords, which is the card of worry. Why is that, Spirit? Why are they worried? They are worried because this person is extremely worried, whoever this is, Gemini. Look at this. Sleepless nights, stress, tension. Maybe they're worried that they will be blocked off, or they will not be accepted. Or maybe that's already been done in the past. Somebody really wants to drop those old burdens now of the past. Maybe somebody wasn't being able to decide in the past. They were at crossroads. Maybe they had another option. Whatever happened here, but somebody is really, really stressed out that they may not be given a second chance. And they really wish that, all these burdens will go away now. So why is the Strength card in reverse then, Spirit? Why is the Strength card in reverse? Strength card in reverse. Yeah, somebody is unhappy with their own behavior, I think. Yeah, somebody has a lot of regrets here, Gemini. They look back at the past and are full of regret and sorrow because somebody here either cheated in this connection, or they snuck away, or they ran away. Whatever happened here, they are not very hopeful right now that they feel they may get blocked off, and they are lacking a bit of courage to maybe send that message or say something here. Three of Swords, Spirit. What's this Three of Swords? Oh, there was a tower moment. There was a tower moment, or maybe it's coming, I don't know, but I think this has already happened because of somebody's very unwise decisions. And the Three of Swords, Spirit, why is it in reverse now? Three of Swords. This could have been a third party situation, Gemini, but somebody really wanting now to reconcile again, make up, heal this broken heart, feeling really, really passionate about their partner, wanting to end this fight and this conflict or any competition if there was, but action is still not being taken. The Chariot is in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Chariot in reverse? Because somebody doesn't know what to say. They want to come forward, but they are unable to right now, Gemini, because see, the Strength card is in reverse again, and so is the Eight of Wands, which is the card of communication. So somebody has not been able to say what their heart says. maybe they're afraid that they will not be accepted or they'll be blocked off. So somebody doesn't have the courage to have this communication about moving forward. So somebody is quite stuck here. They don't want this chapter to end. Yes, they want to manifest some kind of healing here in this connection. I think in the past, yes, somebody who got left out in the cold. Maybe somebody got abandoned here, left out in the cold. Somebody took a wrong direction. They made a wrong choice. But whoever made that wrong choice now has a lot of regret. They are trying to manifest, I think, a fresh new beginning. Yes, before I can finish the sentence, Spirit just sends me a card. They want a brand new, fresh beginning, leave the past in the past, and let's start over. Like this card said, we've come too far to give up on us. Can we start over? Okay, so Knight of Wands, Spirit. Knight of Wands. What's this Knight of Wands? If somebody was a bit of a player in the past, Gemini, this masculine, whoever this is, if this person was a bit of a juggler or a player or dipping in and out of this feminine's life, I think that all those days are gone. They don't want to juggle anymore. They don't want to be a Knight of Wands anymore. They're dropping that. I don't want to be torn between two options anymore. Yes, because that led to them not having the best maybe foundation or love or something. So something kind of fell apart here. It fell apart because I think because of this person's player energy at that point, maybe they were being a player and somebody dropped them. This Queen of Pentacles got upset, I think, and decided, I don't want them anymore. They make me feel ungrounded. Yes, there's too much unstable energy here. There could be a Sagittarius in the mix. I don't know. This is a Saggy card. But yeah, it basically also means that there was no balance. Look at this angel pouring from one cup to another. And harmonious, right? You pour in my cup, I pour in yours. But this is upside down. So because of this kind of behavior of maybe somebody behaving like a player and not offering commitment, this Queen of Pentacles, I think, gave up on the connection and said, hey, if I'm going to feel ungrounded all the time, then fine, I'm okay without you. But there is a big cup of love here, which I'm the most excited to clarify. So Spirit, what's this Ace of Cups here doing now? If this Queen has already given up, what's this? Okay. Oh my God, somebody wants a brand new beginning. I told you, somebody is really looking for a fresh, brand new beginning. They know that they've done something really silly in the past. Maybe some rash behavior, maybe some wrongdoings. I don't know what this person did. And now they're feeling really, really bad about their own behavior. They feel they destroyed a beautiful connection. Now they're coming in saying, hey, I love you. With this big cup of love, I want to be your emperor now. I want to gain back control in this situation, and I do want to bring harmony and balance into this connection. So, Gems, somebody has a vision for the future, it seems. Let's take one more. So, Spirit, one more. This Ace of Cups is too beautiful to just shut the chapter here. Okay. Ace of Cups. There's some delay going on though. Yes, the delay is because this person is very, very stressed out. This person is, this card has come out twice now. Eight of Swords with the Nine of Swords. This person is very, very stressed and they're overthinking the situation because they know they've created too much of delay in this connection, and maybe also because they don't know what work to put in. They've already messed this situation up quite badly, I think, and now they don't know what work to put in, and that's creating a delay. Plus, I think they're a little worried that their person may be single now, and they just don't want that. They don't like that. They don't want this person single and available and, out there. So they worry that, they may just kind of be snapped up by somebody else. So what's this Page of Wands, Spirit? What's this Page of Wands? Page of Wands. Page of Wands. Page of Wands clarified by the Page of Wands. One more. Yes, they do want to message. They do want this creative new beginning. It's just that they have not been able to make a decision maybe in the past. This is the past energy where I think they were pulled in two different directions maybe, or they were sitting here with that iron heart that I spoke about in the last reading. They're a little embarrassed and ashamed now to send that message of love. They don't know what to say. I think they're feeling quite messed up, in their head, because they've messed up this connection by maybe not taking action in the past, and now how do they suddenly come and say, hey, listen, I've suddenly realized I love you and I want something with you. They are a little embarrassed to face this feminine now. How do they tell them that I've changed my mind all of a sudden? So that's the only stress here, though they really want to say something. The Page of Wands has come out twice. They do want to take action. They want this fresh, new, creative, passionate, new beginning. And they do want to show up now as the Emperor. Emperor has also come out twice. They know that their wish fulfillment is this beautiful Queen of Wands, who's hot and sexy and beautiful, good looking. And yes, they do want to have this equal partnership now. Equal give and take. Bring back justice. That's a beautiful reading for you, Gemini. I hope this person can get out of their head soon and speak of what's on their heart now instead of just thinking about it. So let's see in the next reading. We'll go deeper into their psyche and see what they're planning to do. But till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.